What's up, guys? As you can see, I'm spending my Sunday afternoon pressure washing my front deck. If you live in an area that is quite shaded, like if your deck doesn't get much direct sun like this one, or if you get a lot of pollen that comes down throughout the year, especially in the spring, this gets all over a car or a driveway, your house, or your decking, as you can see. And I use an electric pressure washer. I'll put a link down below where you can get one similar to this, because they don't make this exact one anymore, but a similar one that's 2200 psi, which is good because you don't want to overdo it. Like if you're pressure washing your house or your deck, you don't want to have like a 4000 psi unit. It can actually damage the wood, especially on the siding of your home. And I also will pre-soak it with Simple Green. You may be familiar with, but to save money, get Simple Green concentrate, which is this one here. So you'll mix about 6 ounces of this per gallon of water. This makes about 65 gallons of Simple Green mixed, and it only costs barely $20. Whereas if you get those usual gallons, some places that may be $15 to $20 just for 1 gallon, depending on when you buy it, of course. I'll put a link down below for that too. But this is real good. Let it soak in. Use like a large garden sprayer like this, and make your solution in there. Spray it all over it, in the shaded time of day if you can. Let it soak for a good 10 to 15 minutes. You can use a scrub brush if you really want to, but I don't think it's totally necessary. I just use the regular orange tip on the wand here, and as you see, like this, has already been done, and it's drying. It's almost dry, so it really shows the best how it looks. I mean, honestly, some people put bleach out on it, which is probably fine, but I just use good old Simple Green, and there's the before and after. I'm just taking a little break here. Significant difference, obviously. But yeah, check out the playlist of different projects I've done with this electric pressure washer. It works great. It's quiet. It's quieter than that leaf blower way down there, as you can hear from a mile away. And I try to do videos of different projects and working on stuff around the house, or working on your car, your dirt bike, your ATV, scooters, lawnmowers, and all kinds of stuff. Over 2,000 videos on my channel. So check it out. And if my video helped you, or really gave you a great idea, or solved a problem for you, make sure you click that thanks button that's underneath the video screen. And feel free to send a donation. We really appreciate it. And we got social media links in the description as well. So y'all have a great day. Y'all see y'all later.